Hi, I'm Michael,
I'm Gray.
and we're going to open some
Pokemon packs.
Pokemon packs. We have 4 packs, and we'll open one at a time. One today, this morning. Later, another one later. Ano pili ka?
The Lapras EX.
Sige, buksan mo.
Zero. And
We even brought some sleeves.
ready? No. Clip up and this.
Madali kamay mo, ha? Hindi ka pwede magawa.
Ito. Okay na.
Uy, umupo na sa akin.
Okay na. Okay.
Ano? First pack.
And,
Meron ba tayong kit?
or no. Or
Oh, what happened here? First pack. Ano ba mo? Ito.
so we got
Eh,
Lockies. So yeah, that Silly Shark made in Cham.
ha?
That made in Cham. Lasal. I don't. Lantern. Slowking. Iron Boulder. Reverse Hollow Clink. Hollow.
Wala. Wala.
Wala. Yung mark ko. This is, we got a hit.
That's not the hit.
We got a bad hit.
That's not the hit.
It's a hollow. I said a bad hit.
It's not even a hit.
It's a hollow.
Bye.
There.
Hi, I'm Michael,
And Gray.
and we're going to open another.
Pokemon pack for 3 hours.
Open.
I got it. I opened it normal. Okay.
Kunin mo na. Kunin mo na.
So we got Michelary, Maril, Raibon, Ponta, Tornadoes,
Bonita.
Kopu, Slowking,
Saan mo nakikita? Hey.
Hit, Grand Tree. We got a hit. Reversal selling. Oh, just a normal hit.
Our first hit for the day.
Yeah, Grand Tree.
Ano mo? Bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh, wait lang. Hi, I'm Michael,
Andre.
and we're going to open some.
Pokemon
Hindi nakita.
Pokemon pa.
Sige. We're here at the Antipolo State Christian School Field Trip 2025. Pauwi na kami.
Oh, there.
Careful. Sira.
So we got Guido. I'll put it behind. So, capture it. Clang. Silisar. Briar. Electric. The bull aka a sheep. Universalo Dancy.
Hey!
Hey! Hey!
Wow! Secret rare. Full art.
And whatever this, we don't care. We got this.
Oo, kunin mo.
Yung Marco,
Lagay mo.
where do I put it? I don't want to damage it.
Wow. Careful lang. So out of 3 packs we open 2 hits.
And one is an ace pack, and one is a
Full art. Secret
full
rare.
art secret rare.
Okay. Isa pa.
Next.
Last one. O gusto mo sorry. Mamaya na yan? O ngayon na?
Sige na.
Ngayon na?
We still have one pack.
Wala nang bubuksan mamaya.
May pa din one pack in the back.
Para malapit to. Wala na, last na yan. 4 lang lahat. Mamaya na.
Sige.
Alright.